Good morning, everyone. We will talk about vision. Sa dictionary, vision is stated as the ability to perceive something not actually visible, something seen by others beyond the normal sight. And in the Bible, a person without vision perishes. Kung wala daw po tayong vision, kamot may lang po ang ating buhay. So in order to see your full potential, you or we should enlarge our vision. Vision is like a dream. At ang pangarap po ay libre lang. So, ang karamihan po sa ating mga Pilipino, ating pangarap ay always simple. Yung bang tipong, pag tinanong mo, ano bang pangarap mo? Bahay kubo lang. So, it means, ito po ang direksyon ng ating buhay. So, kung ang pangarap mo ay isang kubo lang, so, maaaring yun lang ang makuha natin. So, since ang pangarap ay libre, lakihan na natin. So for example, bibigyan ka ng isang mansyon ng isang hari versus isang simpleng bahay. Anong pipiliin mo? Of course, pipiliin mo yung mansyon. Libre nga lang ito, di po ba? Ang vision or ang goal, kung walang commitment, ay useless. Kahit pa gaano kalaki ang iyong pangarap, kung wala naman itong paglalagyan, kung wala kang commitment, baliwala po ang mga bagay na yan. Lagyan din po natin to ng time. No? Magkaroon po tayo ng self-discipline na kahit anong sabihin ng iba, since meron kang commitment and time sa araw na iyon, hindi po masamang humindi. Samahan din natin siya ng willingness. I believe yung pagpunta nyo rito, isa ng sign ng willingness na tayo ay mag-improve, matuto. Of course, yung gusto ng lahat, di ba? Yung tayo ay maging successful or yumaman. Sino bang gustong yumaman dito? O sinong gustong maging mahirap lang habang buhay? Di ba? Wala, no? Of course, lagyan natin ng determination na kahit anong mangyari, bumagyo man o umaraw o lumindol, dahil nga meron kang determination na gawin mo ang isang bagay, walang makakapigil sa'yo. Samahan din natin ng persistence. Yung bang hindi lang kahapon na ikaw ay masipag, araw-araw yan. Persistence, ano? Walang makakapigil. Talaga namang tuloy-tuloy ang iyong pag-achieve ng iyong goal. Some believe leaders are born. Others believe that leaders are developed. I believe that people are born with certain leadership characteristics. The characteristic that they are not born with can be developed. Some of these characteristics we can get from the eagle. Just like the eagle, all of us should have vision. The eagle's eye can see great distance. No, ang eagle daw po ay malayo ang kanyang nakikita. They can also directly into the sun without being blinded. So just imagine, tutukan mo yung araw, ano? Ang sakit sa mata nun. But the eagle, if you are an eagle, kahit pang anong nakikita mo, ang nakikita mo lang ay malinaw na malinaw. You being the leader of your network marketing team must have vision. You must have a vision that guides and leads your team towards the organization's goal. The vision must be big and focused. A big focused vision will produce big results. Eagle never eat dead meat. You will never see an eagle eating meat kill. So, yung mga sulutan issue dyan. So, if you are an eagle, hindi tayo yung mga agaw. Ano po? So, it hunts for and it kills its own food. It hunts for the prey while it is warm and alive. You as a leader must go where the action is. You must go where, hunt down, and find lively people to grow. Number three, looks for and flies into storm. So, ang eagle, as the storms approach, Very rare ka makakita ng mga ibon. But the mighty eagle spreads its wing and with a great cry mounts upon the powerful updrafts, soaring to the heights of glory. Eagle used the storm to lift him to see great heights. So just imagine, ang bagyo ginagamit ng eagle para lalong tumaas ang kanyang lipad. So the same thing with us leader. We don't run from the problem, no? Use that storm or use that problem for you to develop. The eagle's eye can see great distance. You must have a vision that guides and leads your team. Very gentle and attentive to their young. So, number four, ang eagle daw po is very gentle. The eagle is known for its ferocity, yet no member of the bird's family is more gently and attentive to its young. At just the right time, the mother eagle begins to teach her eaglets how to fly. The process is repeated. If the young is slow to learn or cowardly, she returns him to the nest and begins to tear it apart until there is nothing left for the eaglets to cling to. Then she nudges him off the cliff. So in summary, teach and train your organization. Network marketing is about duplication. So napakasarap po 'di ba na kapag tayo ay merong tinuturuan ay nagiging katulad natin siya. Ano? So, here by studying eagles, we believe na we can born with also develop leadership characteristic. Developing and using them, your network marketing business will grow and become very profitable.